Hi.
I'm Marie Carbon, and these are my artworks. They're made of canvas, oil on canvas, hardened. These are all my story of strength. It's about solitude of strength, melody of strength, the sound of strength, and the author of strength.
Okay, so for example, this first painting, do you call this painting or sculpture or what?
I call it painting turned into a sculpture.
Okay.
So this artwork shows it's the sound of strength, meaning to say, since I stand up for women empowerment, this goes to show that your pain, whatever struggles you're going through, can actually turn into power eventually.
So there's a family in the photo?
Yes, yes.
So this is hand painted, right?
Yes, all of it are hand painted.
Okay.
So this one is a author of strength. So this one is actually a woman writing her own story, because only you can tell how much of a strength you can use on your own.
Okay.
So this is
This
a solitude of strength, meaning to say sometimes strength is not loud, it's quiet. And that alone, you embracing your quietness, shows how much strength you have.
And then last one.
This is called melody of strength. Sometimes it's only the music that inspires you to actually bring out that strength in you.
Is that a working violin or what?
Yes, that's actually my personal violin.
Okay.
That's made out of maple wood.
Oh, so it's really working before.
Yes, yes.
Then you use it for your painting.
Yes.
Okay. So
whoever's gonna buy this is very lucky, because the painting, the violin alone is expensive. Yes.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Wow. So can you give us a price or estimate of this?
It's roughly less than 100,000.
100,000 each.
Yes.
Wow.
Grabe, alangan all.
So 400,000 for the four of them. Or
no naman.
It's their discount.
This is 85, this 70, 70, 70.
Ah, okay. So kala ko 100,000 each.
No, less than 100,000.
Less than 100,000, no? So why only 4?
Why only 4? Because there are 13 artists joining us in this gallery.
Wow, okay.
I'm Kaslib. This is my artwork. This is Rooted in Bloom 1 and 2. This is all about the power of being a woman.
So again, women empowerment.
It's all about women empowerment. The veins parang shows what, you know, yung women, how powerful women is. Yung pinagdadaanan na.
I thought it was because of the stress.
Kasama na yun. Yeah. Stress, everything, pero still.
So both artwork, and ang pinaka-signature, merong nerves.
Yes.
Okay. That's it. So, can you give us an estimate? How much are you selling this?
This is 52 each.
52 each.
Yes.
So, 100,000 for the two.
Yes. Pero syempre, pag dalawa, we can give this. If, kasi ano siya eh, same siya eh.
Okay. So, 80?
Pwede.
Pwede rin. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Or 70?
But they decide
Okay. What's your inspiration, ma'am?
Inspiration po actually. As a woman, as a mom, as a businesswoman, lahat ng women actually, yung ano ko dyan, kaya ako siya ginawa. Alam mo, yung nanay, single parent, pagka nakita mo kung paano sila ang babae para maging successful, yung mga business person, yung mga housewife. kahit na pagod, hirap, to raise family, to raise kids, pero still, alam mo yung, how can I say this? Ang babae kasi kahit anong hirap.
May resilience?
Yes. So,
compared to a man?
Yes. I mean, magkaiba naman pwede ko yung lalaki at ng babae. Pero, yeah, that's why I painted it. Sabi ko parang, kahit na gano'n ka paganda, kahit gano'n ka, hindi mo na minsan, hindi mo nakikita yung hirap ng babae, unang-una nga yung housewife. Akala nila ang dali-dali kasi nasa bahay na. Pero, hindi. Yung hirap ng bilang, maging babae, ang mga anak na lang ang hirap na.
Housewife, being a mother.
Bilang business, women, mga business.
Same time, businessman.
Career women. Diba? Paano mo na-job?
So you're juggling the load.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell us how long did you took it? It took you to paint each of this?
Each of it. Actually, I painted that last year. This was supposed to be, I was invited in New York.
Okay.
Kaya lang, nagkaroon ng, hindi ako nakalas kasi emergency. So, this is my entry supposedly in New York.
Okay.
So, I painted that last year.
So
I think around December.
So, there was a purpose, kaya lang hindi nyo na-submit.
Hindi ako nakalas.
Pero, how long did it took you?
It took me like a month, I guess.
1 month for each,
Yeah.
and this one 12.
Yes.
So it takes you a lot of time to paint.
Because ako, when I paint,
Okay.
it's a black canvas. So when I paint, kung ano yung pumasok sa ko.
So you don't rush it, binabalik-balikan nyo na.
When I paint, meron akong black canvas, and then, kung anong maisip ko, nasa web ko.
So, kumbaga, pabalik-balik kayo.
I don't, ito yung plano ko, gano'n, no, I don't. Spontaneous, kumbaga. Spontaneous. Maisip ko, I want, gusto ko ng babae. So, kung ano yung lalabas. So, yan, lumabas lang yung base niya, parang naisip ko, of how you describe ang mga babae.
Okay.
Pero still, diba? Ang babae kahit, for example ito, ang babae kahit gano'n na ang hirap, pero makikita mo ang ganda-ganda pa rin. Akala mo, diba? Parang walang pinagdadaanan hirap. Pero deep inside, yung gano'n. So yan. Yan ang aking inspirasyon.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Leslie Pukay, a visual artist. Right here, I have 6 of my rhythm series.
6. Okay. So may sarili siyang style, di ba, ma'am?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
So more on parang, what do you call this type of painting?
Okay, my type of painting is abstract expressionism.
Abstract expressionism. Okay.
I use music, the rhythm of the music, to create lines, colors, and shapes.
Okay, so for example, the first one, on top, can you tell us something about it?
Okay, my first one, I use the song of Frank Sinatra, That's Life. And for me, color green signifies life. That's why I use all sorts of green in that painting.
So green because of the environment.
Yes,
Okay.
life.
Life.
It represents
Mother Earth.
Yes, very much so.
And then, for example, this one, purple.
Okay, purple. I cannot really remember the song, but what I remember about the story of the song, there's a girl who likes the guy so much, but the guy's not, not noticing her. The title of the song is Crave You. Crave You.
They can Google it, but the beat of the song is very good. That's why I was able to create a good pattern on this one.
Okay, so parang nakikita ko man puro inspired by music.
Yes, yes. That's why my art is called Rhythm Series.
Rhythm series.
Rhythm Series. It's a series of artworks.
So nakalagay dito ma'am, painting the pulse of music, dance, and life. Tama. Wow, so every painting meron pong music behind it. Yun. And then yung choice of color is because of the meaning of the song.
Meaning of a song, or whether I want to do monochromatic, if I want to do complementary color, you know, like sometimes like I have a painting, it's not here right now, but I use it's my way, and I use blue for life and calmness, and orange for being adventurous. It's like the story of aging people, you know, like Frank Sinatra's My Way, like I did it my way, like that.
So parang ano pong genre ng music?
Any, like
Any.
when I wake up, I want something that's, because this one is Miley Cyrus.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. So hindi lang yung mga sa age na
Yes.
okay. So all types of music.
Yes, that's the climb of Miley Cyrus. Like when you climb, you always look up, and when you look up, you see sky. When you see sky, it's color blue.
But I noticed parang puro foreign music.
Yes, but I work on some OPM.
OPM,
Yes.
okay. Ano ba kailangan? Tagalog or English?
I
Lyrics?
can use any. I can be inspired by any English or Tagalog, because I am after the rhythm, not the lyrics.
Oh, so the rhythm.
Yes,
Okay.
it's the rhythm of the song. It's the beat and the rhythm of the song that I listen.
So kaya po may mga ganyan na,
That's why it can
for example, itong yellow orange po ba ito? Or brown?
source of yellow, because there's yellow there, there's undertone of yellow there, there's brownish because of mixing of colors. This one is yellow orange.
So, ang first dumarating ko, yung narinig yung music, kaya nagkakaroon ng inspiration.
Yes.
Not the other way around na hinahanap niyo yung music para makakuha ng inspiration.
Because I do sing, I love to sing. So
Ah.
I sing in the shower. Okay?
Talaga?
So when I sing in the shower, oh, this is gonna be a nice, nice painting. Or I can use this song for my painting.
So, for example, ma'am, how much will that painting cost? If you sell it?
That cost, talaga pa yung sinasabi yung ano.
You want to sell it?
Oh, of course, it's 60,000.
60 each?
60 each lang yan.
Oh, okay.
Yes, that's not very pricey.
And you hope to sell it today?
Of course.
Or within the duration of Maliak Art?
Yes, please. Of course. Yes. I'm proud of my work. I believe in my work.
Yeah, I'm sure you have more at home.
I have, yes.
Okay. So, pag naubos yan ngayon,
Pwede ko siya palpan.
dala mo yung iba. Dali mo pa iba. Ayun.
And also, I do commission work, okay?
Talaga?
I personalize painting. A client can tell me their favorite song, and I just need one color, or let them choose like if they want a monochromatic or a complementary color, and then I will just take care of the process. I cannot promise on how it will turn out, because I myself don't know how it will turn out unless it is finished.
So, what will the client tell you? Anong klaseng?
Well, actually, I have this American, there's this American who commissioned me for an artwork, not one artwork, but 4. He gave me 4 songs and his color that he prefers. Like, okay, Billie Jean. He requested for Billie Jean for the rhythm, and then he wants an electric blue for it.
Electric
And then
blue.
Purple Rain and Deep Purple for the color. And then girls just want to have fun, and lemon yellow for a color.
And then the last one is Billie Jean. The other one, okay. The fourth one, I cannot remember anymore. But the color is okay. Born in the USA, brick red.
How old is that person?
Medyo kasing kasi ako.
Okay. Sige.
Okay, so I assume that he's in his 50s. Well, he said he's going to take it to Hawaii, but I don't know if that will happen. So.
And that will take you how long to paint all those?
Oh, it all depends. Kasi it depends on the weather. Sometimes when the weather is like tag-ulan, when I was painting it, it took a little bit of time. Kasi nga maulan siya eh. You have to wait for it to dry.
So wala siyang binigay na limit, na time?
We have a time frame for 4 paintings. I said soft, what you call that, time frame would be at least 2 months. But, you know, some circumstances.
He or she agreed?
He agreed. We actually exchanged emails. But we had 30 emails because when I was working on it, it was in Hawaii. He's from Hawaii.
Okay.
So my painting somewhere.
Okay.
He commissioned. Yes, he requested for a commission artist.
Okay, so good luck, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Sa Pilipinas, sa Pilipinas, sa Pilipinas, tutok na. Sa Pilipinas, sa Pilipinas, sa Pilipinas, tutok na. Sa Pilipinas, sa Pilipinas, sa Pilipinas, tutok na. Sa Pilipinas, sa Pilipinas, sa Pilipinas, masaya. Sa Pilipinas.